If you open your dryer when it hasn't been in use and you find moisture in it, this product could definitely help. This is a backdraft preventer. So what it does is you put it in line with your dryer so the dryer is blowing this way. It allows it to open so your dryer can vent properly. But then on the other side, if backflow tries to come in, it stops it and it's sealed really good. This one's a really good quality one that I would definitely recommend. Now, moisture in the dryer could be caused by a lot of things, but usually the main cause is when it's hot out, the hot air is coming into your cool house, causing condensation. So this may help. It's not guaranteed. I would always tell my customers it's not guaranteed, but it's a backflow preventer and it could help. So I'll show you exactly how to install. So now what we're going to do, my dryer vent is set up like this. It goes up here. So now we're going to take this piece. Make sure it's right. I have installed these the wrong way and it really messes up things. It completely seals the dryer and I had to go back to the customer's house. So double check it that it's going in the right direction. And now this slides right in here, just like that. And make sure you're using the correct tape. Make sure you're using metal tape, dryer vent tape. You don't want to put screws because that can impede on the airflow. So we're just going to put it in there. Make sure the tape's good. Like that. Now this, even if you pull it as hard as you can with the metal tape, metal on metal, don't use regular duct tape, use the metal tape, and it should be good. If you're concerned about it popping out, you could use a small self-tapping sheet metal screw would work, and it will keep it in there. But for mine, I'm confident with this like that. Make sure it's on there good. Make sure there's no rips. And just like that. Now, very importantly, if you have a way, if your vent's not too high up or you have access to it, turn on your dryer, make sure everything's sealed back here, there's no leaks or anything, and then go and just confirm that there's airflow coming out of your exit vent. Make sure it's blowing. If you turn your dryer on and it's not blowing, you did it the wrong way. And I'll leave a link in the description for this inexpensive, very helpful product.